Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. My name is Bushra and we were discussing about the chapter 7 of second year chemistry, the fundamental principles of organic chemistry. We have discussed about the introduction, the vital force theory and the reduction of vital force theory. We have also discussed the modern definition of organic chemistry. Today we will discuss about the some features of organic compounds. So in this topic, following are some features of organic compound are given below. First one is the peculiar nature of carbon. Second one is the non-ionic character of organic compound. Third one is the similarity in behavior. Fourth one is complexity of organic compound. And the fifth one is the isomerism, and the sixth one is the rate of organic reactions, and the seventh one is the solubility of organic compounds. The first one is the peculiar nature of organic compound. Carbon forms a large number of compounds. There are millions of organic compounds known as present. The main reason for such a large number of compounds is its unique property of linking with other carbon atoms to form long chain or rings. So the carbon or a special behavior of carbon is that it forms a large number of compounds, and today we know about the million of organic compounds. What is the reason behind that carbon compounds are existing in large number? The main reason behind this is that for a large number of compound is the unique property of carbon atoms to link with other atoms and with itself to form long chain or rings. This self-linking property of carbon is called the catenation. So the catenation definition is the self-linking property of carbon atoms to link with atom and with other atom is called the catenation. Carbon forms stable single and multiple bond with other atoms like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. It can thus form numerous compounds of various sizes, shape, and structure. So in this case, it is said that carbon also forms single, stable, multiple bonds and multiple bond with the other atom like oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur, like the example of carbon dioxide, like the example of carbon disulfide. So in this case, it is saying that it can form the numerous compound of various sizes and shape and structure. So this is the unique property of carbon. That's why the carbon compound existed in large number. The second one is the non-ionic reactions of organic compounds. The non-ionic reactions of organic compound in this para, it is saying that organic compounds are generally covalent compound, therefore do not give ionic reactions. It means that in organic compound the covalent bond exists, so that's why the organic non-ionic reactions, they does not give the ionic reactions. The third one is the similarity in behavior. There exists a close relationship between different organic compounds. So this is exemplified by existence of homologous series. It is saying that different organic compound has a close relation. They are related to with each other, and this can be exemplified by the existence of homologous series. And this is a very useful property of the carbon compounds or organic compounds, that the study of million of compounds can be reduced by studying only few homologous series. The fourth one property of organic compound is the complexity of organic compound. Organic molecules are very large and structurally more complex. They are not a simple compounds. They are very complex and large molecules. So that's why first one the example is the starch. Starch has the formula C6H10O5N, where N may be several thousand. N can be very several thousand. Its number vary from one to many thousand. So proteins are also very complex molecule having molecular masses ranging from a few thousand to a million. These are all organic compounds. Starch belongs to the carbohydrate. Proteins which are made from the amino acid, and when amino acids link with each other through a peptide bond, then they form large molecular masses compound. They are called the proteins, and protein sizes may vary from a few thousand to a million. So in this case, in this para, it is saying that organic molecules are not simple organic compounds. They are very complex and they are very large. Fifth one property is the isomerism. Isomerism is a very common phenomenon in organic compound. Isomerism is a phenomenon in which the molecule having the same molecular formula but different structure formula. So in this case, it is saying that very often more than one compounds are represented by the same molecular formula. However, they have different structure formula. So the organic compounds show the property of isomerism. Next one, six is the rate of organic reactions. The rate of organic reactions are very slow, and in general the yields are very low. If you are taking 5 gram, then you will get only 1 gram of the yield in organic reactions in organic compounds yield. So the reactions are very slow, and in general the yields are low. The slow rate of organic reaction, what is the reason of the slow rate of organic reaction? The main reason of the slow rate of organic reaction is due to the molecular nature of organic compounds. As we have discussed that they are non-ionic character, they have non-ionic nature, so that's why the rate of organic reactions their rate are very slow. Seventh one is the solubility. Most organic compounds are insoluble in water and dissolve readily in non-polar organic solvent. As we have discussed that organic compounds have a non-ionic character, non-ionic nature, so it's mean the organic compounds are insoluble in water and they are dissolved in non-polar organic solvent like benzene, petroleum ether, etc. So these are the properties of these some common features of organic these points. If you like the video and have any query, you can ask in the comment. Allah Hafiz.